Hello primary 6. Today we'll take lesson 3 in unit 2, the inequality of first degree. Inequality of the first degree. The concept of the inequality is a mathematical sentence which consists of one unknown variable or symbol as x or more as x and y, and contains an inequality relation, less than or more than. For example, 3x greater than or more than 9, x minus 5 more than 6, and 3x minus 2y greater than 0. طب remember, the sign of the inequality are this: read as less than, read as greater than. This is read as is less than or equal, and the sign read as is greater than or equal. Okay. We can summarize the relations of inequality. Notice before the follows. Assuming that a, b, and c are three integers, then if a less than b, then a plus c less than b plus c. طب لو كانت a less than b, then a minus c less than b minus c. Okay. If a less than b, c is positive number, then ac less than bc. If a less than b, c is positive number, then a over c less than b over c. If a less than b, c is negative number, then ac greater than bc. If a less than b, c is negative number, then a over c greater than b over c. Important remark: when we multiply or divide the two sides of the inequality by a negative number, we should change the directions of the inequality sign. يعني ايه؟ لو كان multiply or divide two sides of inequality وكان by negative number، يبقى احنا لازم نعمل change in the directions of sign of inequality sign. Now solve the problem. Find the solution set of the inequality x plus 2 less than 7 and represent it on the number line where x belongs to n. Okay. Before start, answer should be solve this inequality like the steps to solve the equation. نفس الsteps بالظبط. Addition number we go to another side by different sign or opposite sign. هي plus 2 we go to another side into minus 2. Then x less than 7 minus 2. X less than 7 minus 2. Okay. Then x less than what? 7 minus 2 equal 5. X less than 5. The solution set equal. هو ايه بقى؟ هو the difference between inequality والايكويشن ان احنا بيكون عندنا solution set between braces. هو which element less than 5. في الايكواليتي كانت الاكس ايكوال، وهو ده الديفرنس بين في الايكويشن بيكون مثلا for example x plus 2 equal 7 and we find الايه، كنا بنعمل ايه؟ بنfind الاكس الفاليو اوف اكس. لكن الانيكواليتي بيكون هنا less than more than or equal less than or equal. Okay. Then the solution set هنا بتكون the set of numbers اللي هي less than ايه؟ ال 5. هي ايه number less than 5؟ وهو قال لي belong ل n. Take care from this ايه notes ان belong ل n يعني we don't have a negative sign, a negative numbers or a negative integer numbers. Okay. طيب 0 1 2 3 4. طيب if anyone write negative 1 negative 2, that's wrong. Because this is the difference between belong n and belong z. Okay, and we can represent it in the number line when we draw the number line from 0 to 7, whatever, 5, 6. Okay, and represent this is finite set or infinite set. This is finite set, then we represent 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Find the solution of set of the following inequality: x plus 5 less than 7 with the same steps يا primary 6. بس هو هنا ايه الديفرنس between them؟ اللي هو هنا كانت الاكس belongs z، الاكس كانت belongs z، لكن هنا الاكس belong n. طيب before start answer should be remove the plus x to the opposite side by a opposite sign. Okay, just 1 minute to find answer for this inequality. What is the difference between this inequality or this question in the last lesson? Question for the last lesson. احنا ممكن كنا في الايكويشن we write x plus 5 equal 7، لكن في inequality should be replace the equal by less than, more than, less than or equal, more than or equal. Okay. Find your primary 6. لو كان هنا عندنا plus 5 we go to another side into negative sign, then x is then 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2, then x less than 2. هو دي بقى important notes اللي احنا بنتكلم عليها. هو قال لي belongs z then ايه هو اللي less than ال 2؟ ال 1 0 negative 1 negative 2 and so on. طب لو كانت هي belong ل n بيكون ايه الانسر؟ لو كان belong ل natural numbers هتبقى ايه؟ less than 2 هتبقى 0 and 1 بس. fine, excellent. Find the solution set of the inequality x minus 3 less than 1. يلا يا primary 6 I wait you. After 1 minute we will check. We'll check your answer together. Find the solution set of inequality x minus 3 less than 1 where x belong ل n. x هنا belong ل n. Take care your primary 6. x belong ل n. Fine, that's enough. X minus 3 less than 1. Go negative 3 to another side into plus 1. Then x less than 1 plus 3. Then x less than 4. طب هو قال لي belong ل n not belong ل z. Okay. belong ل n هو ايه اللي less than 4؟ 0 1 2 3. Okay. This is a solution set for x belong ل n. Fine. Find the solution set of inequality 2x plus 7 less than 1 such that x belongs to z. Then represent it on the number line. Okay, for this inequality, the same steps for solve the equation. Take the plus, the first step, go to another side with different sign. After we finish, we divide the answer, divide by 2. Okay, to find the value of x. طيب, after 1 minute, we will start. يلا. I wait you just 1 minute, your primary 6. Please try answer in your notebook without help me. After 1 minute, we will look at your answers. Okay, fine. The first step, positive 7, go to another sign, opposite side into negative 6. طيب, negative 7. Okay, يبقى هتبقى 2x less than 1 بنجو positive 7 to another side into negative 7. يبقى 2x sorry less than negative 6. طيب now في جنب الx multiplication you go to another side into divide. Then x less than negative 6 over 2. Okay. Then x less than negative 2. طب هي الx belong ل z. Of course belong ل z. هي negative 3. Sorry. الx هنا less than negative 3. هو ايه اللي less than negative 3؟ في النمبر line. We draw the number line 0, negative 1, negative 2 اللي هو كله في النيجاتيف سايد. النيجاتيف integer numbers. طيب which number less than negative 3؟ negative 3 اهي negative 3 اللي less than هو negative 4, negative 5, negative 7, negative 6, negative 7 and so on. This is infinite set. Okay? Find the solution set of the inequality 2x plus 3x plus 2 less than or equal 11 in n. Then represent it on the number line. We can solve this inequality with the same steps. After you finish answer this inequality, stop, put your pen down and take care and look the PowerPoint with me, the video with me about less than or equal. Yalla, after 1 minute, we will solve the question or inequality together. Try answer in your notes book and check your answer with me. Okay, primary 6. Here we have positive 2. Go to another side into what? Okay. 3x plus 2 less than or equal 11. Go positive 2 to another side into negative 2. 3x less than or equal 9. Then x. To remove 3, divide 9. Go to another side. By divide, يعني 9 divide 3 equals 3. Then x less than or equal 3. Fine? طيب, before start answer, what is the meaning of less than or equal? ايه هي النمبر اللي less than 3 وهي belong ل n. هي ايه النمبر اللي less than 3؟ belong ل n. take care, belong ل n. 2 and 1 0. هي دي اللي belong لايه؟ هي دي النمبر اللي less than 3. طب هو قال لي or equal يعني should be right 3. اوكي, or equal 3 يعني should be right 3. 3 2 1 0. After you finish find اللي هو solution set should be draw number line, have a positive integer and negative integer and 0 and represent this number on the number line. Find the solution set of the inequality 3x plus 2 less than or equal 11 where x belongs z. x belongs z. هنا هو the same question على فكرة, بس the difference between them إن هنا كانت ال x belong ل n. Okay? طيب, just you have 1 minute to finish answer this question. I hope everyone can answer this question. The same question, but is the difference between them in the first اللي هي C. الفيرست question كان فيه ان الاكس هنا belong ل n لكن هنا الاكس belong ل z. طبعا هي هتكون الديفرنس في السوليوشن set. I wait you your primary 6 try answer, write in your notes, check your answer with me. Fine, that's enough. Number 2, go to opposite side and opposite sign. اهي يبقى number 2 go opposite side in opposite sign and 3x less than or equal 9. 11 minus 2 equal 9. 2. Find the value of x. Divide by 3 in both sides. Then x less than or equal. 9 over 3, then x less than or equal 3. solution set equal. هو ايه بقى هنا اللي less than or equal 3؟ equal 3 يعني 3. طب هو ايه اللي less than ده بقى؟ 3 2 1 0. هو قال لي belong لايه؟ belong z. طب ممكن we can write negative 1 of course yes, negative 2 of course yes, negative 3 of course yes, and this is infinite set. وهو ده الديفرنس between ال first question and second questions. ان هنا finite set. هو ايه this is finite set and this is infinite set. اللي هو قال لي less than 3 and belong n. خلاص stop. هي 0 1 2 3 1 2 3. لكن هنا هو قال لي less than or equal 3 and belong z. فاللي less than 3 في ال belong z infinite numbers. Okay, infinite number. Another question. Find the solution set of inequality 2x plus 5 less than 2 and represent it on the number line if number 1 x belong to n, number 2 x belong to z. Please, your primary 6, take your pen and try answer and draw the both question in on the number line. Okay, this is very easy question. Try answer. Start from now. After just 1 minute, we will check your answer together. Fine. The first one. The first step طبعا should be remove ال 5, go to another side to negative 5. Then 3x less than 2 minus 5. Then 3x less than negative 3. To remove 3 يبقى divide أو go to another side by divide by 3. Then x less than negative 1. هو بالنسبة according إن هي تكون belong ل n. when إن ال x هنا belong ل n. Then the solution set belong ل n x less than negative 1. طب هو ال natural number have a negative natural number have a negative integer number? Of course no. Then the solution set equal 5. But if the x belongs z, the solution set equal negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on, negative 5, and the infinite set. Okay? طيب, this is a answer for this question. Another question. 3x minus 2 less than 7, where x belong to n. يلا 1 minute to find the solution for this inequality. Don't forget ان ال x هنا belong to n يا primary 6. طيب, the first step, then take a negative 2 to another side with different sign. After we finish, fine. 3x minus 2 less than 7. 3x less than 7 plus 2. Then 3x less than 9. X. This is that's wrong. يعني المفروض ان احنا we divide the 9 divide by 3. Sorry, 9 divide by 3 equals 3. X less than 3. Which number less than 3? belong ل n. belong ل n يعني 0 1 2. Okay, this is finite set. Okay, this is wrong numbers. Divide by 3 equals 3. Then x less than 3. The solution set equal. هو ايه اللي less than 3؟ 0 1 2 لان هو قال لي belong ل n. Okay, I have another question. This is equation and this inequality. Find in Z the solution set of number 1 2x plus 12 equal 8. Number 2 2x minus 3 less than 5. The first question is a equation. The second is inquality. طيب the same steps for a answers. يعني هنا the same steps we go 12 another side and هنا برضو the same steps لكن الديفرنس بيكون في السوليوشن set. ال post question belongs that. Okay, I bet you just 2 minutes to find the solution set for post question. Okay, 1 minute for the first question. Okay, يعني step by step. 1 minute for the first question. It's very easy. Find the x. Solution set for E for x. Write in your notes. Fine. يلا لا. I wait you 2 minutes. Another minute. To find the inequality. يلا primary 6. برافو 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 برافو. Fine. يلا number 1. 2x plus 12 equal 8. 2x positive 12 go to another side into negative 12. Then 2x equal negative 4. Then x equal negative 4 over 2. Okay. Then x equal negative 2. ده الفيرست question. يبقى solution set هنا ايه؟ negative 2. طيب the second question 2x minus 3 less than 5. The same steps. Go in negative 3 to another side with a different sign هتبقى positive 3. يبقى equal 2x less than 8 divide by 2 هتبقى x less than 8 over 2. Then x less than 4. Solution set. هو ايه اللي less than 4؟ هي belongs z. 3 2 1 0 negative 1 negative 2. This is infinite set لأنها belongs z. Okay. Find the solution set of the inequality. طيب هنا السوليوشن set هنا بيكون and represent on the number line. We have two sign يعني هنا less than or equal وهنا كمان less than or equal. Okay. The first step should be remove ال1 from ال 4x plus 1. طيب بس هنا مش هن remove outside في ال right side بس لا right side وفي left side. يعني هنا هيبقى negative 1 وهنا كمان negative 1. اوكي ان احنا we have two sign. يبقى ال positive 1 هتgo to to another side into negative 1 هنا و negative 1 هنا. Then 17 minus 1 equal 16 و 9 minus 1 equal 8. طيب to find the value of x يبقى divide ال 4 في ال both side. اوكي يبقى هنا هتكون ال x هنا divide by 4 equal 2 و 16 divide by 4 equal 4. Then x more than or equal 2 and less than or equal 4. اوكي يعني between ال 2 and 4 اللي هم كام؟ 3. طيب هي قال لي or equal 2 يبقى we write 2 or equal 4 يبقى we write 4. Then the solution set equal 2 3 and 4. 2 3 and 4. This is a solution set for this question. Okay. This question is very easy question. هي بس الديفرنس ان احنا هنا بنموف البلس 1 او النيجاتيف في البوست سايد مش في وان سايد. يعني في الرايت سايد وفي الليفت سايد. يعني هنا بلس 1 بيجو تو انذر سايد. طب انت عندك 2 سايد او عندك 2 سايد يبقى هنا بنجو تو انذر سايد هتبقى نيجاتيف 1 وهنا كمان هتبقى نيجاتيف 1. and the answer 9 minus 1 equal 8. 17 minus 1 equal 16. طيب the same steps if we divide here by 4 to remove the 4 from the x خلاص او to find the value of x or the solution set from of x يبقى should be divide ال 4 في both side مش في one side. Okay. Then the solution set اللي هي which the number greater than or equal to and less than or equal 4 اللي هي تبقى 2 3 4 finite set and represent on the number line. Another question with the same 2x minus 1 وهنا less than or equal 9 وهنا 3. represent on the number line. Okay, 2x. Okay, try answer without help me. Allah, primary 6. I with you. This inequality with two sides, right side and left side. If we want to remove a negative 1 from this inequality, should be go to both sides with different sign. Try answer your primary 6. Try write in your notes and answer. We will check your answer. I wait you. يلا. Okay, fine. That's enough. هنا 2x minus 1. minus 1 go to another side into plus 1. وهنا كمان minus 1 go to another side into plus 1. اهي. Then 3 plus 1 equal 4. طب 9 plus 1 equal 10. هنا 2x. To find the value of x أو solution set of x should be divide both side ولا one side, right side ولا left side؟ لا، both side اللي هم ايه؟ divide by 2, 10 divide by 2 and 4 divide by 2. 4 divide by 2 equal 2, 10 divide by 2 equal 5. طيب هو هنا الديفرنس بقى بين الكويشن ده والايه واللاست كويشن. هنا which is the numbers greater than 2 or less than or equal 5. greater than 2 or less than or equal 5. هنا مفيش equal يبقى then we don't write it 2. هنا في equal should be write 5. طب هو ايه النمبر اللي more than 2 اللي هو 3 4 and less than 5 less than 5 ولا less than or equal؟ ها less than or equal should be write 5. يبقى هي ايه النمبر اللي between 2 وال 5 اللي هي المفروض 3 و 4. طب هو هنا قال لي or equal 5 should be write 5. okay and represent the number line. Draw the number line. Have a positive integer and negative integer and represent this solution set on the number line. Given the substitution in set in is a 3 2 1 and 0 and find the solution set of inequality x plus 3 less than 5. احنا we talking about this question for the last lesson in how we can find this solution set by substitution يعني sum of set اللي هي numbers. طيب try write 3 plus 3 هنشوف less than 5 ولا لا. يعني at x equals 3 the left hand side 3 plus 3 equals 6 يبقى 6 is not smaller than 5. okay 3 is not solution for the inequality at x equal 2. The left hand side equal 2 plus 3 equal 5. طيب هي 5 less than 5؟ No, of course no. Is not smaller than 5. 2 is not a solution for the inequality at x equal 1. طيب the left hand side 1 plus 4 plus 3 equal 4 is smaller than 5. Then 1 is a solution for the inequality. Fine. At x equal 0. طيب تعالوا نشوف لو x equal 0 يبقى 0 plus 3 equals 3. طيب هي 3 دي less than 5 of course. 0 is a solution for يبقى هو ايه السوليوشن set for this inequality؟ ال 1 plus 3 هيدينا 4 وده less than 5 وال 0 plus 3 equals 3 وده كمان less than 5. يبقى this solution set for this inequality. This is the last question. I hope everyone can understand. Thank you for good listening.